Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my channel. If you are new to this channel or you're looking for a channel that you can visit to learn web designing without coding, but I teach mostly website designing without coding, you can check out my videos. I have a lot of videos that can help you. Those that can create using WordPress theme, how to get your own hosting, how to start by understanding what a domain is. I have website that can lead you to website to your website career. Let's start your website design. Okay, guys. I was going through Coda. I found this script. This is a wallet script. This is a crypto wallet. With this script, you can send money across the world. Like you can build an application that can send money across the globe globally. You can use it for you can use it to build a mobile app, a native mobile app. I'll be showing you how the user work. I'll be showing you how you can connect different add-ons from this script. This script was built by I think Tech Village. So I saw it on Code Canon, so I decided to take it. And so this is the user interface. This is how the user interface is going to be. I'm also going to teach you how to change the design. I'm going to be teaching you how to customize it. And I'm also going to be giving out this script for free because I got it from Code Code. I'll be showing you how much I got this script from. You'll also be able to create a visual card and also an investment plan. Like you can see, this has an investment plan. You can also use it for hype purposes because you have hype features. Yes, this is the demo I saw from Code Corner. So I already have the script. I'll be dropping the link below for free on how to get the script. So there is a link direct that you can download the script from. So this is how now let's go into installing the theme. I'm going to be using my C panel. I have a WHM. I'm going to be using it. I've gotten my host and I've gotten my domain. If you don't know how to buy your host and your domain, I have a video for you. So I'm going to be creating a subdomain for this my project. So if you don't know how to create a subdomain, you can watch how I create this subdomain. Most people don't know how to create subdomain. Like the old cpanel team is not the same with this new one. So you have to come to the same place where you create your own domain to create your subdomain. So I'm going to be adding this subdomain because this is part of the subdomain we are going to be using. So I've created the subdomain. Now we are going to be installing our script. We're going to be installing our script, but first of all, we need to install our script. Yes, I have installed my script and I am going to be extracting it now. So you know how to navigate through your cpanel. If you don't know how to navigate through your cpanel, I'll be dropping a video below how to teach you how to go through your cpanel, create subdomains, remove show dot files. So I'm waiting for the script to extract. So I'm done extracting the script now. When you are building with cpanel, it is more easier, especially when you are building on a Laravel project and a Laravel product because this is a Laravel script. Yes, so it's an automatic installer. You don't even need to start installing on manually, or you just follow the steps because normally to install Laravel, I think is the easiest script to install. So I'm going to be moving everything to the home directory. I'm going to be moving everything to the home directory because the place it extracted was not in the home directory. So I'll return it back to the home directory so that it can work normal. you make sure you don't install this in a sub file or an extensional file. You install it to the to the home directory. So I'm going to be so I have moved it to my home directory. This is how the file structure is supposed to be when you extract it. So I can edit it directly from the .if form, but I am going to be installing it directly from the installer. Okay, once you are done with the extraction, we are going to be checking the permission. So we are checking the folder permission to check to correct it up. You know, if you are building Laravel, you must check the permissions to make sure they are working. Now, look at these folders. I'm going to be changing their permissions to 775 so that it can work, because Laravel works with permission. I have already changed the PHP version to 8.6. So if you are working with this script, you should be able to change your PHP version to 8.0 up. So first of all, I will change this permission. Without this permission, this is not going to work. So bear it in mind that once you start building Laravel, you don't need to import it manually. You have to do it automatically, because automatically the thing goes perfectly. So when it comes to the app, you go into it and make sure you change all the selected folders to change the permission so that your script can work well. So as you can see, I think it's remaining the last one, the bootstrap slash check. So that's the storage. I have to go over there. That is the last I'm going to change. So I save it. Please, you need to keep your database details at hand now, because you are going to be needing it. If you don't know how to create database, I have a video where I taught people how to create database. So you should go and check it out. Now you can put anything you want in this verify the purchase code, because it's very, very important. Now at the purchase code, you can add anything that is up to 30, like from 30 words up. You can add it, so your host can, so your script can work. So I got, like I said before, I got this script from code Canon. So now I'm going to, if you have created your database details, I believe you saved it one place, and now we are going to be needing it. My database, I will be pasting my database details. When you create a database, you don't need to upload any database file, because automatically it's going to upload the database for you. So once you are done, you should leave all the other things the way it is. Then you click on install. The installation will not take up to 3 minutes. It will install. Now you are going to be creating the admin login, because we actually need the admin login. So we are going to be creating the admin login. So you put what you can remember. You put the email, and you put the name, your first admin name and second admin name. So you put your can set your email and your password. So I'm going to be using the site name. So don't forget, I use the subdomain for this. So when you're using your own, you're going to be using the main domain. So you are also going to be installing it the same way I did it here. So nothing changed. So now I'm done with the installation. If you have gotten to this extent in this video, I want to tell you congratulations, because you have successfully installed the script. So what we are going to be doing now is the customization. So if you have watched this video to this place, please, I urge you to click on the subscription button and share this video to your friends and your family. So So please. So over here now we are going to be changing the domain, the logo. So I usually use Canvas to build my logo. Yes, I usually use Canvas to build my logo when I want to build logo. So we are going to be using Canvas to build our logo. So I think this video will stop here for now. The part 2 of how to customize the homepage and how to change the logo and how to create your logo using Canvas will be in the next video. So please, if you want me to drop the next video on the customization, please make sure you share this video. Maybe when I get up to 1k views, then I can drop the video. So please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I'm uploading new video. So please check out my channel for other videos which I have done, especially in Hype, in building of Hype website, building of crypto wallet website, because this is actually a crypto wallet website. So please don't forget to click on the subscription button and the bell icon. I'll be dropping the next video very soon on how to create your first logo with Canvas and how to upload it in our crypto wallet. Then I'll be teaching you also how to put on the add-on, the investment add-on, the WooCommerce add-on. You can request payment using your own website you built. So this is Canvas. In our next video, I will be showing you how to use this Canvas to create any type of logo for this website and also create a receipt that you can use. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button and the bell icon. See you in our next video. Thank you.